Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. If I'm panning a little bit, it's because I just not finished running, but I'm taking a break. My treadmill actually broke like a week ago. So I gotta start running outside now versus inside. Buenos días. Con permiso. And you guys can see that I'm actually saying hi to like people outside and stuff. But let me make this video real quick. I do think we are going to 557. We actually just hit my previous target of 556, because you guys know that I've been pretty bullish towards 556, 557. We actually hit that pre-market. As of right now, a new target, because this already got sweeped. I am looking for a new target of like 559, 560 on the SPY. And we also have, if the SPY and the weekly can push a little bit more, you actually have it closing a bull trigger soon. Let me check. There you go. So if this closes, there's a really high chance that you do not crash and you keep pushing all the way to this new top of trend 570 on SPX, possibly higher to 591. So we are looking at possibly closing the bullish week. And if we do close it on the SPY, that's pretty big confirmation that you're gonna keep pumping like effing crazy, right? So as of right now, I do have my first target again. 557 already hit pre-market, right? I am looking for a 557 again, but because this already got sweeped, I am looking for a 559, 560 target on SPY now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.